Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Hunter. Hope you guys are having a wonderful day. Trying out something new today. I'm gonna do kind of an in-between tour. I've heard my short tours are too short and my long tours are too long. So today we're taking you on a brief tour of the 2023 Riverstone Legacy 39 RKFB. May no customer be left behind. Hope you guys enjoy it. There is a longer, more full detailed tour on my profile that you guys are fine if you are interested. This is a bath-and-a-half model rear kitchen front bath setup. You got the decorator white decor with the charcoal furniture. Over here on this slide, you'll see a sofa that does pull out to make a bed. You also have the theater seating directly across from the TV. Infinity Classic here for the Riverstone, so everyone seems to like that feature. That's kind of their go-to little move here. Huge, tall, wide slides, safety glass tinted. You have a desk right there to get a little bit of work done. You also have a table for two that can expand out for four, so that's always a big time plus. Kitchen is absolutely beautiful. It's nice and compact, but you still get plenty of countertop space with an area that does flip out for some additional counters. Residential appliances, so the refrigerator, just like the one inside your home. Industry's largest oven, how nice is that? You also get a beautiful Samsung microwave there. You get a dishwasher down at the bottom, along with a double bowl stainless steel undermounted sink. Some fancy pants glass lights right there. You'll also notice a fan, on top of the ceiling right there to help circulate some of the air. Big old TV. It's going to be a smart TV with a sound bar and a fireplace. Keep you up nice and roasty in the middle of the winter. This is going to be the half bath. Nice accent lighting there across the mirror, and you'll also see that closet behind there is going to be a washer and dryer. Head on up into the bedroom. You're going to see all that walking space. So that is a big time plus that you're going to get in the Riverstone. This is a nice unit. You got a big old bed looking as sharp as ever. Sit down, sleep, enjoy yourself a good snooze on the road. And then you got a mini slide right over here with your dresser, a TV, and an emergency exit. But my favorite thing about this RV has got to be this front bath. You got kind of the old couple sink, accent lighting there above the mirror. But check out how sharp that is. I mean, look at that shower. That thing is absolutely beautiful. You also have the porcelain throne sitting there on an angle so you can do your business in style. If you need closet space, this thing's got closet space. Check that thing out. Some hanging areas. You also got the little octopus doodads just waiting for a friend to be hung up on them. Dyson cordless vac does come with the Riverstone Legacy, and then more area to hang more clothes. But guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this tour. There is, like I said, longer, more full detailed if that's more your style. But hopefully people like it. Drop a comment, let me know what you think. 2023 Riverstone 39 RKFB. My name is Hunter. Have a good one. See ya.